you wanna, so don't you wanna, so don't you wanna hang out? So don't you wanna, so don't you wanna, so don't you wanna hang out? 'Cause I am just your legs, and you are just my arms, and everybody just wants to stay cool when it gets too warm. Some people live up in a mountain or out across the ocean, whether a car or a bike or a camel is your primary means of locomotion. I am just your legs, and you are just my arms. The farms need the cities, and the cities need the farms, because everybody's part of the great big person. Everybody's part of the world. Everybody's part of the great big person. Everybody's part of the world. So don't you
Those would be a whip.
Like this way, I'm gonna make sure you can feel it.
I'm literally right in front
Slide so that she has room.
Oh, don't get too close. Don't get too close.
Animals and reptiles.
Yes. Yes. Because what you can do back at the Science Center is you can put this somewhere and you can do an experiment and see how long. Absolutely. Okay. Does anyone know where most of the heat is lost in a building?
Excuse me, why is there that?
Yeah.
What's that?
This. Okay. Well, let me ask you. Would you like to live in a house without any windows? No, I wouldn't.
There, middle tells us that we recycle. How many know what 500,000 is? A lot. It's a lot, isn't it? We recycle more than 500,000 gallons of water every year by using a car wash.
Wow.
Okay? Now, when you guys take a bath or a shower, where's the water go? Where?
Down the drain.
Down the drain, exactly.
Into the ocean.
And then eventually it goes down in the ocean eventually, yep. You're right. What happens with the water from the car wash?
It goes around the surface.
Exactly. And it's cleaned again, right? So we actually use less water
You
than
don't need
most
like
car
100
washes
gallons
do.
to keep it on it.
We need a light sensor.
It'd be dark, you couldn't see anything. But now with these lights in here, we actually can see, right?
And they're not using any electricity to create this light.
That's the sun's light, right?
Exactly. Isn't that cool? I get goosebumps. It's so
Okay.
Isn't it? It's exciting.
All right, keep walking out. How many of you know what fossil fuel is? What's fossil fuel, Garrett?
It's sort of like the thing that harms.
Okay, well, it's a lot of the stuff from the earth, a lot of the coal and those kind of things. Oil and those kind of stuff, right? What is renewable energy? What's that? Wind, solar, water, those kind of things. Things that can be renewed by energy. So what we decided to do is all the energy that we get, half of it comes from fossil fuel, half of it comes from the renewable. Again, the solar, the water, the wind. Up here and on the floor and in the walls, we have recyclable materials. A lot of the materials kind of behind you we've used to build the ceilings and the walls and the floors. In energy and environmental design. We chose to do all the things that we showed you and a few more that we haven't showed you yet to become LEED certified. I'm going to bring in a very expensive piece of glass. Leadership in energy and environmental design.
How many points did you get?
Look.
I don't know how many points it took to get that, but
59 points.
I don't remember how many we got exactly, but we got enough to qualify for LEED. Now, one thing we didn't show you yet, and this office does not have it, but a lot of offices in the building, when you walk into them, the light comes on automatically. And when you leave the office, after a few minutes, the light goes off automatically. How many of you have left the light on in your bathroom or in your bedroom sometime in your life? And your mom or dad says, turn off the light, you cost me money, right? Well, now when you walk into our office, light comes on. When you walk out, light goes off.
Everybody's part of the